All right, stay close to me, little bear. You'll get lost out there. Zero visibility. Listen to that wind, guys. We're protected by the trees in here. I ain't going out anywhere. Yeah. Listen to that. That's just wicked. Let me wipe off the lens here a little. Look at that, you guys. What do you think, little bears are blizzarding? It's gotta be blowing. It's gonna, like I said in my forecast, it blows steady 30, but she's blowing 50 right now. Or better, I'm not kidding you. Look at that. Can't even see the trees right there. Look at this. That's what it looks like. So clear out tonight, guys, but holy cow. Let me wipe off the lens again. If you walked out in there, you'd be lost. Oh, yeah, cool. That's cool. Yeah, if you walked out in there, you guys, you ain't coming back. I'm not kidding you. There's not even 40 feet visibility. Listen to that. And I'm protected in here. Is that over the top or what? I'm gonna keep wiping off the lens here. Holy! I've seen it back in North Dakota, but I'm gonna have to give this wind a #1 wind of ever. It's blowing 70, 60, steady 30, better. Look at that. It's like a sheet hanging there. All right, well, it'll clear out tonight. Don't walk anywhere, you'll be lost. Yeah, no, we can't open that one. Let's walk back out of the wind here a little bit. Come on, little bear. I hear you clucking. Whoa! Look at that, you guys. This is historic. I'm not kidding you. This is a historic storm. That wind. Look at out there. We're protected in here. Well, don't have to mow the grass today. No spiders, no snakes, no scorpions. You look very cool in your new clothes. All right, let's go have some hot chocolate, all right? Okay. There you go, guys. Thursday, 18th. Look at that. Buxton, North Dakota. Cool. Well, it's a little over cool today. I hear you clucking. Going in. Bye.